If you want to learn how to promote your YouTube channel using email and actually get people to click, watch, and subscribe, this video will walk you through exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Stick around till the end because I'll show you the easiest way to set it all up using a tool that actually works. And there's an exclusive free trial linked in the description just for viewers of this channel. So let's jump in. The first thing you need is a reason for people to open your emails. Your subject line should create curiosity or offer value. Instead of something like "new video is up," go with "how I got 5x more views using this strategy," or "why most channels fail and how to fix it." You're not just promoting your YouTube channel, you're offering a reason to click. Now, when it comes to the actual content of your email, don't just drop a link and hope for the best. Give context. In 2 to 3 lines, tell them what the video is about, who it's for, and why it matters. Make it personal. Example: "Hey, name. Just uploaded a quick guide showing how I grew my channel using one strategy I've never shared before. It's only 4 minutes and could save you hours." Add the video thumbnail image inside your email. Link to your YouTube video. Visuals convert better than text links. If you're using our software, it makes this really easy to do with just a drag and drop editor. Again, free trial in the description if you want to follow along. Next, timing matters. The best time to send? Typically 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in your audience's time zone on a weekday. That's when open rates are highest. Also, don't blast your list every time you upload. Instead, segment it. If someone clicked on your last video about thumbnails, only send them future content related to thumbnails. That's how you keep engagement up and avoid unsubscribes. Now let's talk automation. This is where the software we're using shines. You can set up a simple automation where someone who joins your list gets a welcome email with links to your best videos and maybe a weekly digest of your top performing uploads. Set it once, and your YouTube channel gets promoted automatically every week. Powerful stuff. Also, repurpose your email list, ask them questions, turn replies into video ideas, embed polls, make them part of your process. The more involved they feel, the more likely they'll watch, like, and comment. That's the kind of engagement YouTube loves. One last trick: use a soft CTA at the bottom of your emails. Something like, "P.S. I think you'll love this week's upload. It's short, punchy, and packed with value. Let me know what you think." Low pressure, high results. So here's the key takeaway. Promoting your YouTube channel using email isn't about blasting links. It's about building relationships and making every email feel personal, valuable, and worth clicking. Done right, your list becomes your most loyal audience. Quick recap. 1. Use curiosity-driven subject lines. 2. Add short, personal intros to your emails. 3. Embed clickable thumbnails. 4. Segment and automate using the software. 5. Involve your audience and use soft CTAs. Don't forget, the exclusive free trial for the software I used is in the description below. It's the same tool I tested across multiple platforms and found to be the fastest and easiest for this exact purpose. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel with email, take advantage of that free trial and get started today.